My people, take a look at this. I'm going to share with you guys how I made this biscuit at home. So if you're interested in this video, watch to the end and also help me to share, okay? So I started by adding a pinch of salt on my bowl. I added 3 spatula of icing sugar. I added butter, and then I added sunflower oil. Then I'm going to mix it up very well to combine. This is so simple to make. If you are the type that love to try things, try this, you are going to like it. Next, I added my flour. So I'm using self-rising flour. I'm going to be adding it bit by bit until I get the texture I want. So I made use of 3 cups of self-rising flour. So at this point, I'm going to use my hands to mix it up very well to combine. So we are around the festive season, if you don't want to spend money, they buy biscuits. Do it yourself, and guess what, your guests, they will like it. So I share it into 2 equal parts. So on the other one, I'm going to be adding cocoa powder on it, and then I'm going to mix it up very well. Once I'm done mixing it up, this is how it looks. I'm going to set it aside. Make sure your dough is soft like this. You don't want it too soft and you don't want it too hard. So on this one, I'm going to go in 1 tablespoon of flour, and then I'm going to mix it up together to get the same texture with the one I added chocolate on. Then I'm going to set it aside. Next, I spray a little bit of flour in a flat surface, place the dough, and then use this paper foil to cover it and then roll it out like this because I don't want it to stick on the rolling stick. Then next, I'm just going to cut off the parts I don't want to make use of. And then I'm going to bring back the brown one, place it at the corner of it and roll it out again. Now tell me, after watching this video to this point, does this right here look like something you are going to try? So I'm still going to trim the left of the ones I'm not going to be making use of, and then this time around I'm going to give it a design. So I was like thinking this biscuit go just dey like that, let me use something to give it a little bit of design. So I did it, and now I'm using this cutter to cut it. If you don't have this cutter, you can use your knife to cut this biscuit. Once you design it like this, you use your knife to cut it like shortbread, it's still going to come out nice. Then I'm going to place it on my baking tray like this. Put it in the oven and bake. While it's baking on the oven, next I brought out the chocolates, and then I'm going to melt it in my microwave. Then I'm going to set it aside. So guys, take a look at the biscuits. It really came out nice, no different with the ones you buy in the shop. I added the melted chocolate on top of it and then stick it up together like this. I did it all of them, put it in the fridge, allow it to freeze back, and then that is it. Guys, take a look at this. And now tell me, does this right here look like something you would love to try? Drop your comments in the comment section and help me to share this video. Bye.